Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Synergy from Synergy Financial, and this is going to be a tip about what software to use. Yeah, fun stuff. So, basically what I use is a software called Jstock, and it's basically just a watch list. But the thing is, the difference is that it's very organized when it comes to being able to look at the information. Like, personally, what I did is I was trying to find a way to optimize, being able to see these gigantic supernovas take off, where it goes from $2 to $9, because I'm really into that, and so I want to be able to catch it, So what I use is JStock, and you just type in the symbol, see, like, American Airlines, their parent company is AAMRQ, so that's just a quick little 5 letters. 4 or 5, yeah, 5 letters. And so, I have all of them inside this list, and I'll press on the change percent, okay, and that's like one of the options that they give you on the watch list, and it'll go through, you can have like hundreds of stocks. First off, I don't know if there's a maximum to it, so it may not be like 100 stocks, but I'm just saying. You can have like 100 stocks, and you can just press that change percent, and it'll have all of your stocks in one line. And the biggest percent change, if it's gone up like 30%, it'll be at the top, obviously, and then it'll go down from there, and then it'll go into negatives once you go towards the bottom. So if you wanted to buy like a undersold company, which is risky, but if you wanted to do it, you could do it versus that. You just find one that's really dropped like a huge amount, and then you could go check it out. If it looks promising, then you could go further with it. But a lot of them won't look promising, but that's just part of the thing. One day I went through 400 stocks, so. Yeah, and I didn't get anything. I say 400. I literally went to the NASDAQ website, and I entered in 400 stocks onto the watch list, onto my JStock, and then it's very tedious, and, I recommend it strictly because, it'll help you see stuff, but the main thing is that you need to know what criteria to have, okay? So you need to write this out. What I wrote out is it has to be 50,000 shares traded daily. I don't have that big of a capital to trade, so 50,000 for me, 1% of that's not that hard for me. I think it's like, I don't want to do the math. 100,000, 1,000 is the maximum you should have in it, less than 1%. And that way you can get in and out easily at any time, and you're not that big of a figure in it, because the one thing that you don't want to happen is you don't want to be left holding a bag, and that's where, everyone buys in, price skyrockets, you buy in late, because you see it's going up, and it's like, oh, 25% return, oh, that's going 50, that's going 1,000% return, okay? And so, with no kind of basis, you make that decision, and it happens, you get emotional about it, and you buy in, and then it drops, and, you're screwed, and you're left holding the bag because everyone's sold out, and you can't sell your shares, and, and it's just strictly because there wasn't enough volume. So, volume is a big thing, and you have to look at it every single time, every single stock. Moving on to what chart thing I use. I use Incredible Charts Pro, and it allows me to place lines, and it's also a 30-day free trial, and you don't have to pay after the end of the 30 days. It's just cut off. So, and you can also what I'll do is I go to JStock, and I'll type in all these stocks, and the ones that look promising, I'll do them on Incredible, and I'll map them out and do the technical analysis behind it, and then if it passes all these tests, and it looks promising, then I'll decide if I want to buy in or sell short or whatever. So, you just gotta really do your homework on it, and so as I said, it's gonna be below, and thanks for checking out my video. Later, guys.